LCD replacement on Lenovo 81x8 laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Annalyn for trusting our service. The reason for the replacement is that the screen is cracked. Replacing the LCD on a laptop with a cracked screen is typically worth it, especially if the device is relatively new and in good working condition. It is usually more cost-effective than buying a new laptop and can extend the life of the device, restoring its functionality. This approach allows you to continue using your existing software setup and data without the hassle of transferring everything to a new device. And it is also more environmentally friendly than disposing of a laptop and purchasing a new one. Overall, an LCD replacement is a worthwhile investment. The Lenovo 81x8, part of the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 series, is a good budget-friendly laptop. It offers reliable performance for everyday tasks with its mid-range processors, such as Intel Core i3, i5, or AMD Ryzen options. The laptop features a full HD display for clear and sharp visuals, and its sturdy build quality makes it a solid choice for its price range. Additionally, the battery life is decent, providing several hours of use on a single charge. Overall, the Lenovo 81x8 offers good value for money, making it an attractive option for students, professionals, or anyone needing a dependable laptop for basic tasks. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.